I am going to go check out the wait time for Raptor right now.
Our wait is an hour and a half.
The wait time is an hour and a half right now. So I'm going to skip out on that, and I'm going to go head to the back of the park and probably go, oh, not even the back, I'm going to Rougarou, so not very far. So let's go. So I'm about to go in this gift shop and getting a shot of the Windseeker. This is I believe to be a new gift shop. Yeah, it's not my favorite either. Yeah, not this girl's favorite ride, not my favorite ride. It's pretty scary, but we're about to go in the gift shop. I bought myself a Cedar Point bag in there, and that's all. But it was a pretty nice store, 150th anniversary store kind of setting place. So you can get customized apparel. So that's pretty cool. Customized apparel, airbrush rush. And then here we have Valraven. I believe it's called Valraven. Here it comes down. I believe it comes right through here. Here we got the Millennium Force. We drive in the corkscrew, the old corkscrew here. I just heard a girl say, that looks basic. Yes, that's back in the day basic. My first ride was the corkscrew at Michigan's Adventure. So there's a power tower. I don't know if it's running. And then we got Top Throw in the background. Let's do a little 360. I do have 3 days, so I'm spending time recording. This is open. Not many people in there, surprisingly. I feel like it's a semi-busy day, because Iron Dragon, as you can tell, has a line going. And here's beautiful Iron Dragon when it comes through. I believe it's coming through right now. And Power Tower is open. -2. Iron Dragon is a great ride. And also it's Power Tower. So, man, we go Valraven. I just love this place because you're just surrounded by roads. Everywhere you look. I think my plan is to hit Rougarou maybe once or twice, and then I'm going to go to Millennium. It is still early in the day, so I don't know which line is the Millennium, but we're going to see. So, here we go. And then I think I'm going to go to Steel Vengeance after. But everything always changes, so we'll see. Here's one of the best coasters in the park, Maverick. Skyhawk. And this boat ride that's not running. So there is a festival going on. This is a small one. I see little places like these stands sitting in all these places. So yeah, there's some kind of frontier festival. There goes the slingshot. The background. Pretty short time wait for the Cedar Creek mine ride, so going to go on this. Looks like no line at all, really, until you get up here around the corner, most likely. But yeah, you guys, so I'm just going, getting the little lines out of the way, and then gonna see what I want to ride for what I want to wait for. I don't think I'm gonna get a fast pass today because it's Thursday. I think I'll wait till Saturday or tomorrow. So pretty long line for Maverick, but the festival has a lot of food going on, so I'm gonna go check that out. So it's the festival that has a lot of food going on, and they have all kinds of cherry food they're selling, and you buy it with tickets, and I bought the tickets. So there's a bunch of booths around the park on the map, and you just go up and get whatever. So there's barbecue, cherry stuff, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the food. As you guys can see on here, 2 tickets for cherry chicken buffalo tenders, cherry cowboy caviar, deep fried ribs. So 2 tickets. I got 12 tickets for $35. So let's check out some, probably not this food because the line's long, but we'll check out this food. Over here we have dessert options, and I think some may have alcohol, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna get one of these. I should probably get the warm cherry cobbler on top. Okay, so here's the cobbler, you guys. 2 tickets, and I have 10 tickets left. So we'll check out what else they got. But this looks pretty good. I just bought this Steel Vengeance dog tag. I think that was pretty cool, but it does have a scratch to it, which I didn't even notice until now. And they are racing again, kind of. Blue is in the lead by a lot. Oh, there's top 2 too. I'm walking down just midway right now. Ice cream, Eagles. Yogurt Bus, my favorite place.
And only for once in our lives, let's take our chances and roll the dice.
This barbecue place is a really good place to go. This smokehouse up here. I went here last year, it's pretty good. Magnum XL 200 is closed, but tomorrow the water park does open. So I will be going there and recording there. So I was go on Magnum right now, but I can't. So that's nice. But is it closed? Yes, it's closed. There's no line at all. I mean, there's never a line for Magnum, but today there's not at all. And I got to go on the Steel Vengeance front seat with this one guy. It was a very fun experience. But here's Millennium in the background. Top floor right here. I would do the corkscrew, but I think I'm gonna wait till nighttime because it just seems like a more fun ride at night. Nothing really special to it in the daytime. But top show in the background. Let's go. Get a little more top show drag distraction. And they're gone to the top. Nice to see a rollback. Now Raven swinging by. It's just so nice to see the point, you guys. Power tower. And then we got corkscrew. Look at all the awesome views. Man. So glad everything's running good this year. And no mask. So that's kind of crazy. The thing is, there's this big locker ordeal going on that you have to have a locker for basically every ride. So it's hard for me to record in the ride, in the queue line, unless I'm taking my phone. And I don't know what you do with your phone. Do you stuff it in your shirt? Unless you're Steel Vengeance, then you're just going to have to put it in a locker anyways because they do it halfway through the line. So yeah, so I'm gonna see Millennium, I'm just gonna put it in a locker and get it on. 30-minute wait, not that bad. So, you know, these days people can't not use their phone, so it's kind of hard. So my plan is I'm going to wait for Millennium because Millennium is only a 30-minute wait. So I think that'll be my best choice for right now. Friday, June 4th out here, guys. So it's beginning of summer in Cedar. As you guys can see, kind of a lot of people here. But we'll see how the day goes. Here's some cool things they got in the store for Gatekeeper, Top Thrill, Steel Vengeance, all the way to Millennium and Valraven, and then Maverick. I'm trying to decide if I want to get a fast pass right now, so I'm walking around the store. It doesn't seem like there's many people here today. Like, there's a lot of people, but the lines aren't as bad as yesterday, so I might just wait till tomorrow to get my fast pass. Wait till a Saturday, so it still is Friday. Reopen the water ride. That's good to see. What's up, man?